March 8, 2014, a routine Malaysia Airlines flight prepared for takeoff from Kuala Lumpur. Hundreds of passengers boarded, unaware that this ordinary journey would soon become one of the greatest mysteries in aviation history.
The Boeing 777 lifted into the sky with 239 people on board. Families expected a safe arrival in Beijing, but what began as a normal flight would soon vanish without a trace.
Did you see that?
What was that?
In the days that followed, one of the largest search operations in history began. 26 nations joined forces, scanning the skies and oceans. Ships, planes, and satellites searched tirelessly, but the missing flight remained hidden. As days turned into months, mysterious theories began to spread. Some believed it was hijacked, others suggested a sudden technical failure, and some even wondered if the plane had disappeared into a place like the Bermuda Triangle. To this day, the mystery of Flight MH370 remains unsolved. The vast ocean still hides the answers. Will the truth ever be revealed? Or will this remain one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in aviation history?